The FreeMotion shoulder machine can accommodate a wide variety of shoulder exercises. We are going to progress the standard shoulder press by adding challenges in stability and coordination. These progressions are structured to increase muscular involvement with each position and keep the exercises new and engaging. As you progress any exercise, you must ensure your client can perform the prescribed number of reps while maintaining proper posture. Let's begin with the seated supported two-arm shoulder press. You'll position the client with their back against the pad with the handles at shoulder height. With palms facing forward, they'll simply push both handles upward and exhale. The next step would be to have the client sit upright with only their hips against the pad. The client will need to engage their core and maintain a neutral spine. Shoulders should remain parallel to the floor. To further challenge the client's stability, have them slide forward in the seat so their hips are no longer in contact with the back pad. Like other machines in the FreeMotion line, the handles on the shoulder move independently. Clients can perform alternating arm exercises to challenge their coordination. It is important to keep in mind that when one handle is being pushed, they are only moving half of the weight selected. To perform a seated supported one-arm shoulder press, the client sits with their back against the pad, elbow at their shoulder level, and palm facing in or out. We can progress the one-arm shoulder press the same way we did with two arms. Seated back unsupported. And seated torso unsupported. You should be sure your client is able to perform these movements with optimal posture before adding new progressions. To challenge the more advanced client, you can add variety to the shoulder press by performing alternating and one-arm exercises while standing. These exercises help to build functional strength for activities like lifting objects and putting them on high shelves or in cupboards. As your client performs standing exercises, look for any deviations in posture. When your client is able to perform a standing exercise with proper posture, you may progress them to one-leg exercises like one-leg alternating arm shoulder press. One-leg, one-arm shoulder press. You can also add some integrated dynamic movements by having the client perform a squat with a one-arm press.